This is something that on Instagram that people had kind of feared, and it has to do with your Instagram grid. With this new vertical layout, click on the three dots, and I can, if you go about halfway down, you see it says remove from profile grid. Roundabout right here. Remove from profile grid. So if there was something now on my profile grid that just looked whack, right? I can remove it. But I'm not going to do that. What you can do also is adjust the preview. So now I've scrolled down. Let's see if I can. I always got to remember right here. It says adjust preview. Now I can drag it just to reposition it a little bit. I don't, in this particular case, it really doesn't make that much difference. But in your case, it just all depends upon what you have on your grid. Now, there's also this option where I can decide to fill it with a background when I make that adjustment. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off and say fit. But now I'm going to say fill. Now I can toggle between a black background or a white background. So there's going to be a border around it to make it fill that vertical spot. Okay. And so that could be either black or white. So in this case, I just turned it back to white. It was black. So let's just go back to my grid. And you'll see here, there's one that I have that has the black. This one has the black around it. This one has the white. It's just up to you. Here's another one. This one was a photo. Okay, this one was a photo. So I want you to see what happens here when you adjust the preview. And I could have, like I said, added as the white background.